Adios, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles. In today's video, we are learning about the day function in Power BI tags. This function is perfect for extracting the day of the month from any date, helping you analyze daily trends, filter reports, and build dynamic insights. Let's get started. The day function extracts the day from a given date column. Day column equal to day sale of sales of order date. This will return the day number for each order date. Now let's bring in our data set and apply this function. We have an Excel data set containing order date, the date when an order was placed, sales amount, the value of the order. So for importing the data into Power BI, we have to open Power BI. After that, click on Get Data from Excel and also Load Data Set. And after that, we have to navigate to Data View. Now let's create a new column using the day function. Now let's create a calculated column using DAX. So the DAX formula, as I have previously told about it, that is day is equal to day of sales of order, day of any column. After that, we have to extract a day from each order date. Easy, right? But how do we use this for analysis? Let's find out. For that, we need to create a visualization to analyze daily sales trends. So drag the day column to x-axis and drag sales amount to y-axis. After that, choose any column or visualization chart. Now we can see how sales fluctuate across different days of the month. Today we learned how to use the day function, how to create a day column, how to build a daily sales chart. I hope those tutorials helped you master the day function about BI. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe to Saru Chronicles, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy analyzing.